While the PV module does not have any moving parts, the yield from the module is highly dependent on the cleaning of the panels. In the dusty environments of Rajasthan and Gujarat, the cleaning frequency has to be quite high. PV module cleaning. Module cleaning is a simple but important task. It can produce significant and immediate benefits in terms of energy yield. The frequency of module cleaning will depend on local site conditions and the time of the year. As the level of module soiling is site specific, the duration between cleans will vary significantly between sites. The frequency to clean modules will be dictated by factors such as site and surrounding area ground. Covering dusty and arid sites will result in more soiling, and local rainfall patterns, drier areas will result in more soiling. When scheduling module cleaning, the consideration should be given to the following: environmental and human factors. For instance, autumn-fall debris and soiling from local agricultural and industrial activities. Weather patterns. Cleaning during rainy periods is less likely to be required. Dust carried from deserts by wind that may also appear following rain. Dust caused by vehicular traffic. Site accessibility based upon weather predictions. Availability of water and cleaning materials. If the system efficiency is found to be below the expected level, then the cleanliness of the modules should be checked and cleaning conducted as necessary. The optimum frequency of module cleaning can be determined by assessing the costs and benefits of conducting the procedure. The benefit of cleaning should be seen in an improved system performance ratio due to the lower soiling loss and resultant increase in revenue. A cost estimate to clean the PV modules should be obtained from the O&M contractor and compared with the potential increase in revenue. The agreed O&M contract should detail an agreed number of cleans per annum and their frequency. It should also outline the labor rate or unit price at which the owner may request an additional plant-wide clean of modules to allow this cost-benefit analysis to be conducted. The picture indicates as how the conscience is given for cleaning of the PV module and allowing the greenery to grow beyond the minimum height and thus causing the shadow on the modules. Cognizance is to be given for the cleaning of the PV modules as per the following pictures shown. Also, it is to make note that the modules are cleaned in the morning between 7 and 8. The pictures indicate as how the conscience is given for cleaning of the PV module and allowing the greenery to grow beyond the minimum height and thus causing the shadow on the modules. Most of us rely on rain to keep the array cleaning to minimum. Cleaning improves the output by 6 to 7.4%. Cleaning mainly depends on local source of dirt. We need to optimize the cost of cleaning versus the improvement in performance. Please see the figure cost of cleaning versus cleaning of year. Adopt the cleaning schedule to rain, pollen season, and bird season. Clean the PV modules with plain water or mild water, which is not hard. Only use mild dishwashing detergent. Do not use brushes or any type of solvents. Cleaning robots are available for large systems.